Hi friends, this is Lokesh. Welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. Today we are going to discussing about switch and break statements in Java. Switch is nothing but to when the conditional switch condition is satisfied, it will execute it will check with the cases the switch condition and cases values both are matching. Then it will execute the piece of code inside of the case value. If nothing is not matching in this place, and it will execute the default value and it will jump. The same switch and if else if condition also both the same, but only difference is if else condition is nothing but whenever the program is run, it will start with the top and it will come with the down. Like first condition it will check, then the second condition, last condition it will go. And the switch is not like that, but whenever the condition is satisfied, the condition and switch condition and the case value both are matching, then it will execute the piece of code. Otherwise, it will execute the default and it will jump outside. We will see the code how it will execute. Default is there. Then we will run. The condition is not there. That's why it is directly execute the default, right? Both the condition is not matching. Now, case we both are matching, but it is execute the down out because we are not told that where we need to stop. It is execute the cases also, but inside outside the case also it is executing next cases also because of we are not given any condition to stop the code. But that's why it is executed. If you have break statement, break, why it is break means whenever we need to stop the code and the particular code is satisfied, the condition is satisfied, then you need to stop the code in the particular location, wherever it is. You imagine and your code having the thousands line, but you need to execute only 10 line of code. Then 11th line you need to give the break, then it will stop 10th line only. It will execute 10 lines and it will stop the break. The code is stopped there only. It will jump out of the class. Class or method, anything. If you use the class entire class or last position, then it will jump outside. If you are using the method inside the method, you have the 100 lines, you are using 10th position, then it will jump out of the method. Yeah, now it is executed only one because we given the break to stop the code here only. The case is satisfied here, then we are stopping the code here only. This is all about the switch and break statement in Java. If you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.